Kingsflyer here, rcgroups.com, with the new Spektrum Dx6e radio. Let's see what's in this pretty brown box that my favorite delivery driver just dropped off. Alright, let's get down to business. Okay. The radio is in a egg crate box here inside. Yep. AR610X receiver included with this transmitter. Nice 6-channel receiver. 4 AA heavy-duty batteries. Bind plug and an Allen wrench. And the star. Dx6e. What a nice looking radio. Yep, there's the manual. It's pretty thick. 178 pages, that's impressive. Looks like it's divided in different languages. Here's the English portion. That's going to go for 46 pages. That much is English and the rest is the other languages. Spektrum's manual. Alright, well, first impressions, it has a nice feel to it. Sticks feel good. Alright, now that we got the Dx6e unboxed, let's take a look at some of the features. The antenna is adjustable. And it looks like you're programming. You have your standard click and roll switch on the right, 2 switches on the left, 2 buttons. The power button is a new push on, push off button as opposed to a slide. And it looks like we have the 2 switches on the back are 2 position switches. The switches towards the front are 3 position switches. And the momentary button, the bind button, is there. Our normal rate switches are 2 position, high and low, and the flap switch is a 3 position switch. Now the power button is a push on, push off button. So that's something new for this radio. On the back we got the battery compartment. And you can pull this battery box out, and it is suitable for a Lipo battery. There's the charge port for your Lipo. And we'll look a little later at this feature, the slide switch on the back. There you have it, the new Spektrum Dx6e. We'll continue with a little more in-depth review coming to rcgroups.com.